What's up, guys? I'm back with another trade recap for the week, and this was definitely a tough week. You can already see. Look at these pairs up here. You already know what's going on. It's going to be a quick and easy little recap, but first was GU. I know last week I was talking about how I need to hold my trades, let them play out, and there's definitely still going to be situations where I get out early, but it has to be like very obvious to me. In this situation, it wasn't, but I got out early. This was a 15-minute setup, so I get in at the break of candle, and the next candle, this happens, and it actually goes up here. So I'm like, man, what's really going on? I'm about to get out. Like, I don't like this, and I get out. Next thing you know, boom. So this made me feel some type of way, especially since I just told you guys that I'm trying to, or that I'm going to hold my trades and I'm gonna let them play out. And then I don't hold it, and then this happens. Like, come on. So we just keep going, and it just keeps going down. It's crazy. Like, I definitely just would have held until like right here, but it was tough, man. I got out early. So this is on Monday. Then for the end of the week, we just keep trading. I mean, for the rest of the week, we just keep trading GJ. Like, those were the setups that I was seeing. So I took them. And this was also on Monday. After getting out of this trade, I honestly should have just stopped for the day because I'm like, okay, I'm obviously not doing this right. I'm not following my plan. So let me just stop for the day. But I didn't. I did not. So we have this trade right here. Boom, break a candle. Next thing you know, next candle just goes out. But this trade was very risky, man. There's three zones below it that I have highlighted right here. One, two, three. And this just makes it have too many like probabilities. Like, you don't know which one it's gonna bounce off of. So I just took the most recent one. But the fact that we're still in the downtrend and you have that many zones, like, it's just not ideal to take these type of trades, especially if you're in a downtrend. Like, if I'm going with the trend, then maybe this would be better to take. It would be better, but I wasn't going with the 1 hour trend. So yeah, that trade ended up losing. That was tough. This was a tough Monday. Tough way to start the week. You know, you like to start the week off with dub, but anything can happen. Speaking of anything can happen, now looking at GJ, it's Thursday. We look like we're more in the uptrend on the 1 hour. You know what I mean? Like, we're going up. We're breaking structures. You know, so we're filling gaps, all that. So I take this trade because it just looks like we're going up, and we may be having like a little pullback. But GJ had other plans. Obviously, you can see this doesn't play out the way I want it to. Break a candle, right in the same candle, it goes down and it validates the zone. Now, if you watch my trading and probabilities video, you can know, or thinking in probabilities, you can know that anything can happen, and you have to accept that. You have to accept that no matter what the setup is, it can reverse, it can go down before it goes your way, or like go the opposite direction. You may be in drawdown for a minute. You gotta accept that. You gotta accept all the things that come with trading. You gotta even accept that it can win instantly. You just don't know, but you have to take your edge, and that is what I did. But GJ had other plans. This did have a setup below it, a couple demands below it, but it started to look like we're in the uptrend, so I just took it, and Yeah, that was an L. Just closed immediately. Well, I couldn't close, but I took the L immediately. And then we got GJ one more time, right? You know, third time's the charm, man. Last trade of the week is Friday. So I'm waiting till it gets back into the zone. And I love this reaction. Like, it was amazing. This is actually, I'm pretty sure this was like news or something. But I don't know. I don't remember. But this is a lot. I'm asking for 19 pips. I got my entry around here. See, I'm asking for 19 pips, bro. Dang near 20. Let's just say, bro, I'm asking for 20 pips on the 5 minute chart. Let's look at the 1 hour again. Now we're really in an uptrend. We understand that we're in an uptrend, right? Like we're breaking structure to the upside. We were just going down for a while, and now we're going up. So I take this, and I already understand. Like I'm asking for a lot, so this might not win, but let's just see, bro. My thought process throughout this whole thing was, okay, we're in momentum. Okay, we're in momentum. Okay, we're in momentum. Okay, we're gonna have to look out because this could be a liquidity grab. And that's exactly what it ended up being. And you see this red candle just takes out all the buyers. Like it just took out all these candles. It didn't take out this big one, but I'm like, dang, this was 20 minutes worth of candles. And we're going up and you got liquidity right here. So I'm just like, all right, I'm not gonna risk all that. I'm not gonna take the full loss, bro. I'm gonna accept this even if it goes up. I'm gonna just take it out. I'm taking out of the trade, man, charge it to the game, and that's exactly what I did. So I looked at it for a minute after, since the zone was still valid, and I'm like, nah, I'm not even gonna get in. I just decided to not get in, bro, cause GJ been acting up, man. GJ weird for real, but I'm thinking about taking GJ off the watch list because I already have another yen pair, which is EJ. You know, I might just keep EJ and just remove GJ because two yen pairs can be a little tough. I ain't gonna lie. Um, I'm more comfortable with just having four pairs instead of five, less to look at. And GJ was the only pair that I have a losing record on. I'm 7-9, and obviously some of the trades weren't valid, like they weren't good. But I just have to take the good quality setups on GJ at this point. You know, just the best setups that I can like think of for some like textbook because GJ is that one pair that will reverse on you immediately. It happened to me multiple times. It's happened with other pairs too, but it's not as often. Definitely not as often. Definitely not as fast. You know, GJ will give you that L real quick. One time I took an L on GJ in like seconds. So it is a tough pair to trade. It can be. It's supposed to be one of the better ones for supply and demand, but for me personally, I'm not liking it too much. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what I do. But that was it for the week. I'm a definitely still work on holding my trades. You know, just waiting for it to hit TP based on the momentum and things like that. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week with the next recap.